When students, engineers, scientists, and mathematicians want powerful yet easy-to-use calculation software, they turn to PTC Mathcad Prime. Let's explore the new features in the latest release, PTC Mathcad Prime 11. There are exciting updates to application functionality, Mathcad's core engines, and usability enhancements. These boost your productivity and increase Mathcad's calculation speed. Mathcad Prime 11's new application functionality spans 6 areas. The first is manual calculation mode. In addition to auto calculation mode, you can now change as much math as you like, and then choose when and how much to recalculate, either the whole worksheet or only relevant regions down to the page you are viewing. This will save you time, especially with your larger worksheets. Mathcad Prime now empowers you to create a custom unit system, in addition to the 3 built-in unit systems. This gives you much more control over the default units shown in your worksheet, saving you time in manually changing to your preferred units. Advanced scriptable controls, first introduced in PTC Mathcad Prime 10, have now been enhanced with support for Python. When a compatible version of Python is detected on your machine, you will be able to use Python in the script editor. This applies to every kind of advanced control. You can now set complex, zero, and exponential result thresholds formatting. This allows you to define how small or large a result should be before a result is displayed as real or imaginary, displayed as zero, or displayed in exponential notation. There is now new support for binary, octal, and hexadecimal numeral systems for both direct calculation and for results formatting. Lastly, for new application features, there is the Show Border option. This allows you to apply or remove a border to important regions, such as critical numbers or governing equations in your engineering document. We made several enhancements to Mathcad Prime's numeric and symbolic calculation engines. We have added a new decomp symbolic keyword, allowing you to decompose large symbolic results, providing you improved visibility to analyze and reuse the result in the worksheet. The symbolic engine also has additional use cases for integrals, as well as expanded support for the simplify keyword. The solve block is more robust by improved scaling of objective functions and constraints when you use the minimize and maximize functions in a solve block, and your worksheet's CTOL setting has an expanded role. Mathcad Prime 11 displays 2D plot types faster than before, especially for large datasets. Lastly, we have added 2 new functions. First is vec, which makes it significantly easier for you to create simple vectors. We have also added a new identifier function, isRange, which you can use to determine if a variable is of a range data type. With each iteration of Mathcad Prime, our commitment is to incorporate numerous enhancements driven by customer feedback, all aimed at enhancing ease of use. The process for adding images to your worksheet has been streamlined by prompting you to insert an image file at the cursor location directly in the worksheet, saving you an additional click. There are now additional page number formats for your headers and footers. We made improvements to the usability of certain advanced controls, such as adding a new radial button property for the default selected item, and also including the option to display the minimum and maximum values on the slider advanced control, as well as the option to invert those values. Lastly, for longtime legacy Mathcad users, the Mathcad Worksheet Converter will now allow you to convert legacy worksheets with password-protected areas. The converted worksheet areas will still be password protected with the same passwords as the legacy version. PTC Mathcad Prime 11 has made enhancements to make the application more powerful and easier to use, ensuring you have increased productivity and new possibilities in your everyday calculations. Solve, analyze, document, and share your engineering calculations with Mathcad Prime 11.